Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. It's been a busy week. We took Saturday off and went to see If. Now, we didn't know if it was going to be any good or not, and it turned out to be a wonderful movie. Highly recommend it. Great family movie. It's about invisible friends. Now, my husband said he didn't have any invisible friends when he was young, and I can understand that. I got a cat here. Considering he had 5 brothers and sisters. But I was an only child, and I had my share of invisible friends. But the main two were Susie Q and Sweet Pea. And Susie Q was the mean one. If anything went wrong, or if I did anything bad, I told my mom it was Susie Q did it, not me. And Sweet Pea was always the sweet one. She did everything good. So I really enjoyed the movie. It brought back a lot of memories. Very good movie, wholesome movie. Highly recommend it. And we went to Petco afterwards and picked up some 5 little fish for the fish garden. We had 2 that overwintered from last year, and I felt like I needed more fish in there than just the 2. I kind of want them to reproduce on themselves, and I figured the odds are better to have 7 fish in there than to just have 2. So we got those fish, and then we ate at Chili's up there and came home. Sunday we went to church, and then we came home afterwards, and he started mowing our grass, and he got most of our grass done. And on Monday he went and mowed up the road and then finished our grass also. And he also sanded our new picnic table that he's been working on. So he got that all sanded. All the edges are nice and smooth. And now we're getting ready to stain it. So I gotta wait until I have a pretty day where I can leave the cats in long enough to stain it. And then I'll be able to wait the recommended time. And then we're going to put some marine varnish over it. Now I could not find that varnish anywhere. Around here, so I had to order it from Amazon. So we'll get that done, and then it'll be ready for summer. And hopefully we can protect it this winter, and this will last longer than 5 years. It should. It's cedar top, and it's treated wood on the bottom, so hopefully it's a better quality than what the other one is. We also went to the gym Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this week. Monday I harvested the first of the peas. On Tuesday I put these little trellises together that I had gotten off of Amazon. They were not very expensive, but they were very cheaply made. There was 192 pieces per box, and there was 2 boxes of them. They were very poor quality. 3 of them broke when I was putting them together. 4 of them did not have this little hole punched all the way through, so I couldn't use those until I took a hot soldering iron and made a hole for them. So I'll leave the link on here to show you what they were, and I do not recommend that you buy them. And then also on Tuesday I harvested the turnips that were here. And I did half of them Tuesday night, and I did the other half Wednesday morning because it was getting late. And then when I was working with the turnips, freezing them, I had this little handheld vacuum that I had bought, and it's been plugged in like it's supposed to be, charging up, so it said it was charging. And when I went to use it, it would not work when I took it out of the charger, and it leaked brown fluid like. So I tossed it, and again I'll leave a link showing what it was. I do not recommend getting those either. It was handy, but when you put on the bags to vacuum out the thing, they vacuumed out really well. But after about a week, the air would get back in through that little valve that it pulled the air out of, and it kind of defeated the purpose of having long-term vacuum sealed vegetables in the freezer. So I don't recommend that either. Let's see what else I do. Oh, I put these trellises together. Love these. They came as 2 to a pack. And I'm going to put the po beans on them. In fact, I got the po beans planted. I planted those on Thursday. So I got every 2 inches, so I have po beans around the base of these 2. And then I have a TP one there just to compare to see how they do. So we're going to see how that works this year. So I planted those on Thursday, and I also went out and put all the trellises up that need to be up. You see, I've kind of gone trellis crazy this year. I was so tired of the bamboo ones because they usually did not hold up right, or when I had the bamboo down here for the peppers, they did okay. The only problem I had was that they were kind of short, and when you leaned over, you had to worry about where's that bamboo stake as far as where's your eyes and your face is at. So I decided to just go ahead and get trellises. And we're trying a couple different types of trellis. I've got a taller trellis here. I got those little cheapy ones here, and some smaller ones over there. So we'll see how they work. Now this trellis here, I've got 3 of these. I love these. Started out with one I got 4 of them. Started out with one last year in the high greenhouse. It did so well with the cucumbers and stuff that I decided to put 2 in here. Putting the peas on it for right now, and then later it'll be cucumbers will come on after the peas. So that's what we did on Wednesday, as well as I cleaned all the cat crates. Now, cleaning the cat crates is not an easy job, considering there's 6 crates to clean, and each crate takes about a half hour to an hour to clean, because you're cleaning them, making sure there's nothing on them. You're cleaning the dishes, you're cleaning the beds that they're on, you're cleaning everything. So it does take a while to clean out. Plus, I was also rearranging things in the garage, mopping the garage floor. When was the last time you mopped your garage floor? Mine had been much too long. So, worked on that. Still cleaning the garage. We've got stuff in there from when my mom passed, which was like 20 years ago. And I didn't really get to go through it because I was working full-time when she passed. And then when I did get off work, retirement, my shoulder was goofed up and I couldn't do anything for a long time after that. And so I'm just now getting the last boxes of hers going through. So I've got a pile of those to go through, and of course he's got a pile of his stuff to go through. And once we get that organized, the garage should be clean again. Hopefully this time it'll be cleaner for a longer time. And today I finished cleaning. I still had 2 crates to clean. I finished one other crate. The other crate's not being used right now. It's the one that Princess was in when she was sick. So I want to really disinfect it good. We pulled it out of the garage, let it get set in the sun for a couple of days, and then I'm going to take a spray bottle with the diluted bleach and spray it all down, and then wash it off with a pressure washer. And then it should be able to be used again for the other cats. So I cleaned up the last of the crates of the ones that are being used. I cleaned those this morning. We went to the gym this afternoon. We also stopped at the vet clinic and picked up Shu's medicine and her heartworm medicine. Now our vet clinic, I don't know about everybody else, but they have a great sale going on until the end of May with a discount on the heartworm medicine. So I did buy a whole year's worth, and they're really nice people. Shu's is 14 and a half, and I said, what happens if the worst happens? And they will buy back the medicine if it's not been opened. Yeah. So that's a good, or it's not been expired. So I went ahead and bought her a whole year's worth, and I told her hopefully we'll be here next year to buy another year's worth for her. So we got that. I got her arthritis medicine, and then we went to the meat market and picked up meat, hopefully enough for the next 2 months, hopefully. And came home and took care of the cats and put them, getting ready to put them up for the night. They're getting hungry. They're all coming, following me around. They're everywhere around here. Right now I got Butterscotch at my feet, rubbing back and forth, saying, let's go eat, let's go eat. So, hope you have a good weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. Hope you have a safe one and be able to spend it with some family and friends and stuff. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And yes, I have a cat on top of the trouble. It's being trouble on top of the greenhouse. So I better get these guys in and get them fed before they really... Oh, Princess up there too. Yes, definitely better get them fed. Okay, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.